Hello and welcome back to Ricky's Refresher Tutorials. I'm Doris Edwards. This is the first video clip of 5 dedicated to improving the way we use our electronic messaging systems. $588 billion a year. Do you have an idea what this huge number represents? An official study estimates that this is the cost incurred to US companies because of interruptions from email, instant messaging, and other electronic communications. This is just amazing. And what about 9 minutes? 9 minutes is the average time it takes to return to a primary task after an interruption by an email notification. Surprising, no? But there is more. 2,400 minutes. 2,400 minutes for a 5-day week is the interruption time we suffer if the email notification window pops up every minute on a computer's desktop. And last, but not least, 28%. 28% is the slice of time a knowledge worker dedicates during an average day to interruptions stemming from electronic communication. You will agree, these are surprising statistics. These data points and my own observations as an IT trainer motivated me into creating 5 video clips with useful hints and tips about how to optimize electronic messaging software. Let's start this first tutorial with a provocative question. Many of us have attended time management training courses or read articles or books on the subject. But do these techniques really work for you? In fact, why is it that some of us revert to previous bad habits within a very short period of time? This is an issue that has no doubt challenged many a time management expert, seen from the large number of research papers available on the internet. I have the pleasure of giving you a little later 4 links to useful information with intriguing titles such as Do It Tomorrow and Other Secrets of Time Management, or Time Management for Unmanageable People. And then it's time to get back to the how-to-dos. You will get 3 cool Outlook tips that you can implement immediately with only a few mouse clicks. And because many of you are also Google Mail users, I'm including a bonus of 2 smart Gmail techniques as well. But now, let's start with the first point, the traditional time management techniques. There are 4 core principles that most experts recommend. Plan, prioritize, schedule, and implement. Making a plan implies establishing a to-do list. For today, this could mean walking the dog, doing 50 push-ups, and replying to email. Once established, we prioritize or sort the to-do list elements by urgency and/or by importance. For example, most urgent is to walk the dog, most important is my mental and physical well-being, and then I drill down to the next item in the list. In this case, preparing and replying to my biggest client's mail. With my to-do list neatly drawn up, I'm ready for the next step, booking time on the calendar. 7:30 to 8, walk my dog Susie. 8 to 8:30, do my push-ups and have a shower. 8:30 to 9, prepare and reply to the client's email, and so on. And last, but not least, implement the scheduled tasks. And wow, if I'm a truly disciplined person, I will have finished and done exactly what I planned by 9 in the morning. But is this really how it happens? Why is it that this seemingly simple process just does not work for all of us? Well, because we are not all the same when it comes to the way we think. Studies show that the 2 sides of our brain control different modes of thinking. Most individuals have a preference for one side or the other. Left brain thinkers tend to be rational and logical, whilst right brain thinkers look at the world in a more intuitive, analogical way. So, what personality type are you? If you are curious to find out more, you might want to test yourself with the free Myers-Briggs Cognitive Style Inventory Test. Oof, don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it is. And it's quite fun too. I'll give you the reference on one of the next slides. Just a quick word of caution at this stage. It would be all too easy to put ourselves and other people into neat boxes, based on a few simple data points. It goes without saying that in real life, things are much more complex and subtle. Each of us is a unique blend of left and right brain thinking. And that's how it should be. So let's not jump to conclusions too quickly. This being said, many of us are just not comfortable with traditional time management techniques. If you want to look around for alternatives, here are 4 great references that are good for thought and stimulation. And yes, indeed, thoughts about time passing are as old as humanity and have given rise to beautiful poetry and many serious dissertations. But right now, I'd like to conclude this chapter with Marilyn Monroe, when she said, "I have been on a calendar, but never on time. Coming up now, for all brain types, 3 cool Outlook tips, closely followed by 2 smart techniques for Gmail users.